Here's a very simple scene. We've got a simulation node with 100 subdivisions, 10 iterations, a frame frequency of 24 frames per second, importantly a length scale of 1, which means I'm working in meters. It's important to note that the frame rate multiplied by the subdivisions is your collision sampling frequency per second. So here we have a sampling frequency of 2400. If you're having collision problems between layers of cloth or cloth and colliders, then one of the likely causes is that you don't have a high enough collision sampling rate. And the easiest way to test that is just to double the number of subdivisions. Okay, and then we've got a sphere here, which is our collider, like your avatar. And I've given it no outer fatness. So that means that the cloth is going to touch all the way to the sphere. There's nothing on the outside of the sphere. And on the inside, I've put a collision distance of 1 millimeter. Just an important fact about this inner fatness. You can't make the inner fatness greater than half the width of your collider anywhere the cloth is going to touch. And so this is a problem, for example, if you have fingers are very thin. If you make your inner fatness bigger than half the thickness of your finger, then the cloth can't collide effectively because it doesn't know what is in and what is out. So the inner fatness can be up to half the thickness of the thinnest part of the avatar that the cloth is going to collide with. When you simulate, if the cloth looks like it's being sucked into the collider, then almost certainly you've set the inner fatness too big. Hope that makes sense. The cloth here has a thickness of 0.5 millimeter, 0.5 millimeters, and if we run this, I'd already run the simulation at the start. It runs fine, cloth doesn't tangle, it collides just fine. Probably one other thing I should have mentioned, in order to get inner and outer fatness, I had to untick this double-sided tick box here, because if it's just ticked, then it comes double-sided. So you need to untick it in order to change these values. I hope that's helpful. Bye for now.